mushrooms I got. What? This sandwich should be full of mushrooms. You know, mushrooms lightweight. So really, you might as well say I just got cheese toast topped with spinach and mushrooms. That's what you might as well say I got. A toasted bread, a Parmesan toasted bread, topped, drizzled with some mushrooms and spinach. This thing should have been overpowered with some mushrooms, spinach, and onions. This is what the top piece look like. Oop, oop. That's it. Oh man. Well, I can definitely make me a melt at home. I need to have more mushrooms, more onions, more spinach, seasoned better than this $13 sandwich. But it's more like cheese bread. I was really looking forward to like a mushroom melt, meaning the sandwich is full of mushrooms. Of course, it's gonna have some cheese and the spinach, but it would kind of be loaded with mushrooms. It's a mushroom melt, you know. It's kind of like you get a Philly's cheesesteak sandwich. It's loaded with the Philly steak. The only thing I'm really tasting is the cheese. The Parmesan toasted cheese and the 4-cheese blend inside of the sandwich. It ain't really what I was looking for. It's not giving what it needs to be given.